How to lock YouTube screen. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily lock your YouTube screen. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up Play Store or App Store and then search for touch blocker. You have to search for touch blocker. Then download one of these apps. I'm gonna download this app, touch blocker. I have downloaded it already, so I'm gonna open it. And now once you are also in the app, you have to enable the notification. So tap here to enable notification, and once you have enabled notification, now I'll go to YouTube, and now I'm gonna play a video and show you how you can lock your YouTube screen. So for example, I'm gonna play this video. Now to lock screen, open your phone's notification and here tap on the touch blocker notification, and now my YouTube screen is locked. I cannot do anything. Now to unlock it, you have to press and hold the lock for 3 seconds and this screen will be unlocked. If you want to customize the lock, you can go to the app, and then once you're in the app, tap on settings, and here you can customize the settings. You can keep screen on while it's locked, you can disable volume buttons, you can disable hardware keys, and you can customize the app how you want. You can also delay the timer, and so this is how you can lock your YouTube screen. Thanks for watching.